Today we have the 2016 Bmw X5. This vehicle has done just under 78,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our media, radio, smartphone integration and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats are cream leather and get a good view of our panoramic roof.